yung interview niya next ABS-CBN, of course, nandun yung isang perspective na mukha yata nagamit dito yung ABS-CBN kasi lumabas yung ganung naratibo, and whether marami naniwala o hindi, it's another question. Pero there are two perspectives regarding that. Yung perspective from journalism, perspective naman from people like you who practices the craft from the other side. So I go back to that question. Itong naratibo na paawa, mukha ba nagamit dito yung ABS-CBN?
Okay. Wow. I'll answer that in the best way I can. Really, when you say kasi the word gamit, and I hope you're still getting me, Ian, because mukhang yung internet mo dyan ay nagpa-fluctuate. Kasi when you say nagamit in Filipino, the very ethos, the very root of that word is somebody was disadvantaged and the advantage went entirely to one party. Yun ang traditional spirit of the word nagamit. But in this case, nagamit ba talaga ang ABS? My God, their viewership shot up. All the eyeballs went to them. Di ba? Naging the platform was, they were the hottest topic of that day. Sila yung pinapanood. So I don't know necessarily kung quote-unquote nagamit yung ABS-CBN in this case, no? Because it also worked out to their advantage. May gamitan bang nangyari kung parehong party ang nag-benefit? That perhaps is the philosophical question I would like to ask the current parishioner, Ian Esguerra. Kasi pareho sila nag-benefit.
Hindi, oo nga. Tsaka yung question na yun kasi medyo medyo malalim pag inisip natin, no? Ano ba yung objectives, for instance? Kasi 'di ba kayo diyan sa field mo, Alan, meron kayong specific objective why you engage media. 'Di ba? Hindi naman kayo nakikipag-usap sa lahat, 'di ba? You choose which particular news organization you would engage, at least for the first time, di ba? Pero syempre, when it comes to benefit from, let's say, ABS-CBN, maraming eyeballs sa television, maraming clicks, maraming engagement, maraming likes, maraming comments, maraming insights sa social media. Pero yung tinatanong ko, journalistically, for instance, in terms of nagamit, lumabas ba dyan yung katotohanan o baka naman nakatulong pa, naging party yung ABS-CBN doon sa paghabi ng paawa narrative?
Well, if that's the question, if the question is that nuanced and specific, then absolutely they were to use the most exact word, they were the channel. Sila yung naging pipeline, di ba? Binigyan nila ng plataforma at binigyan nila ng pulpit si Mayor Alice Guo to tell the narrative as she was either coached or she truly believes it to be or is the actual truth. So we don't know what it is, di ba? Pero ABS-CBN, definitely yung naging plataforma. So, kumbaga sa hindi mo naman masisisi yung getaway car. Halimbawa, nagkaroon ng robbery, bank robbery. You cannot blame the vehicle manufacturers for manufacturing the vehicle, but sila yung quote-unquote naging getaway car. Dun sumakay yung mga bandido, so to speak, no? So in this case, yes, they became the platform and the channel.